I first noticed this issue when I pulled off this valve and a bunch of black sewage came out, even though the valve was shut. To be honest, this is something I really don't want to film because it's kind of a shit thing to film, but it might help some people. This is the black tank valve. Don't worry, it's been cleaned. This attaches to a cable that attaches to a handle. So a lot of them just have a handle right here that you can just pull. If you can see the little kink in there, there's a little kink in this right here in this area. That was slowly letting black tank liquid leak into the pipe, and I had about, maybe 12 feet of pipe that would fill up completely. I decided I should just replace this entire thing. And so here's the new one with fresh gaskets. And I'm not sure what that thing is, but obviously it looks different than that one. So I'll figure that out and figure out how to attach the cable. But for now, I got to put this in, so let's put it in. There's this particular brand, and on this trailer, this is the gray water, but the black water valve is up there, and the pipes go down there and then up. Before I crawl under there, I need to get all the right sockets. So this old one, in case I got to reuse some parts like the bolts, has a 3/8. This new one is a 7/16. It comes with an Allen wrench. The old one also has a Phillips, oh geez. A Phillips bit. There's the cable that goes to the handle. And this gap right in here is where this valve goes. You know, facing this way, obviously. So now comes the fun part. Oh, let's try this again. In order to get that in, I had to remove that clamp and some of the spray foam garbage to be able to push it backwards. So that goes there. This, I need to bend straight, stick in that hole, tighten down that Allen wrench. About that much too long. Oh, I can't snip it. This shit is hard. Maybe I'll have to get a grinder out. No, I'll get it. I just can't hold the camera and do it. Okay, I tightened that Allen screw. And then I put this on because I lost the roll piece. Yeah. But anyways. So that's drain. And that's close. Whew, finally. Lame job to do, but at least it's done. When I'm not fixing shit valves on trailers, I actually have a lot of other videos related to concrete and framing and fixing stuff, building stuff, so check out some of that. Thanks for watching. No black water. Yay.